Salam. Today we're going to be making a spicy condiment, red chutney. Okay, so this is not a real Desi recipe. It's a really old family recipe that was supposed to take inspiration from Chinese chili oil, but it's nothing like that either. It's essentially just spicy ketchup.
You're gonna need 1 cup of ketchup, half a cup of water, depending on how spicy you like it, 2 to 4 tablespoons of red chili powder, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of crushed red pepper, and salt. In a saucepan, add the ketchup, water, red chili powder, crushed red pepper, and salt on medium-low. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until it gets thickened, but keep an eye on it and make sure to stir every so often or else it'll bubble up everywhere and your kitchen will be a mess.
Bismillah. Is this even chutney? It's definitely not chili oil. If anything, it's closer to barbecue sauce without any of the sweetness. But anyways, it is great for dipping finger foods like samosas and pakoras though.